Looking for some unique plants to make your garden stand out? If so, you're in the right place. This video will introduce you to 5 exotic plants, each one capable of adding a unique touch to any garden design. Stay tuned to discover some of the most intriguing and rare plants to spruce up your garden. First on our list is the corpse flower, known for its gigantic size and peculiar odor. Native to Sumatra, this unique bloom is a rarity, turning heads with its unusual smell and impressive stature. The corpse flower, a rare and intriguing addition to any garden. Next up, we have the Venus flytrap, a fascinating carnivorous plant. This intriguing species, native to subtropical wetlands, feeds on insects and arachnids, adding an element of surprise to your garden. The Venus flytrap, a captivating and exotic touch to your garden. Moving on, the spiral aloe is not just a plant, it's a natural work of art. Hailing from the mountains of Lesotho, its unique spiral formation offers an aesthetic appeal that's truly one of a kind. The spiral aloe, a beautiful and artistic addition to your garden. Fourth on our list is the bat flower, known for its dark and unusual blooms. Native to Southeast Asia, this plant sports black blossoms that are a real head-turner. Its exotic allure can add an intriguing touch to any garden. The bat flower, a dark and intriguing addition to your garden. Last but not least, the rainbow eucalyptus is a plant that truly lives up to its name. Originating from the Pacific Islands, its vibrant bark is a riot of colors, transforming any garden into a vivid masterpiece. The rainbow eucalyptus, a colorful and vibrant addition to your garden. These were the top 5 exotic plants that can make any garden stand out. The corpse flower, Venus flytrap, spiral aloe, bat flower, and rainbow eucalyptus each bring their own unique intrigue and beauty. Remember, a unique garden is just a plant away. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.